In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily save links to websites in Google Keep. We'll cover a few simple steps that will make it easier for you to keep track of important websites directly from your browser using the Google Keep extension. This is a fantastic way to organize and manage the information you gather online, and it's a feature that's especially useful if you often find yourself browsing and want to save content for later without the hassle of bookmarks. To start, go to any website of your choice. It could be something you stumbled upon by chance or a page you visit regularly and want quick access to in the future. Once you've got your page open and ready, we're going to direct our attention to the extension bar at the top of your browser. This is where you'll find all your browser extensions neatly organized, including the Google Keep extension we're going to use today. Next, locate your Google Keep extension. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to look through the list of extensions by clicking on the small puzzle piece icon. Once you've found the Keep icon, ensure that it's pinned to your taskbar for easier access next time. Moving forward, click on the Keep extension icon. Doing so should open a small pop-up window. Here, you'll be greeted with an option to add a note. This is your space to jot down any thoughts or context you might want to remember about this particular website. Maybe there's an article on the page you want to read later, or a piece of information that's worth noting down for future reference. Once you've added your note, the website link will automatically be saved in your Google Keep account. You don't need to worry about manually copying and pasting URLs. Google Keep seamlessly integrates this process, ensuring that your notes stay connected with the web resources you care about. When you're satisfied with your note or label, simply click Create. This action finalizes the saving process, committing the link and any notes you've added to your Google Keep. It's a quick and efficient step that ensures all your web discoveries are preserved and organized exactly as you want them. Now it's time to double check your work. Head over to the Keep app by navigating to keep.google.com. Here, you'll find that your freshly saved link is neatly stored as a note, ready for you to revisit whenever you need. This is the perfect way to ensure accessibility and retrieval of your internet explorations. And there you have it. By following these steps,